Before buying Gorgias, here are 12 important things you need to know. If you're considering it for your business's help desk software, stick around until the end. I'll compare it to other tools like Zendesk and Freshdesk so you can decide if it's the right fit. First off, Gorgias is designed primarily for e-commerce businesses, especially those using Shopify. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify and other platforms like BigCommerce and WooCommerce. This means if you're running an online store, it can handle customer inquiries directly from your storefront and even pull in order data to provide better support. Next thing, Gorgias stands out with its powerful automation features. With customizable macros, you can automate repetitive tasks like responses to frequently asked questions, saving your team a lot of time. This level of automation isn't as strong in other tools like Zendesk, which requires more manual intervention for similar features. The third thing you should know is its multi-channel support. Gorgias allows you to manage not only emails, but also live chat, social media, and even SMS from a single inbox. This is especially useful if you have customers reaching out across multiple channels, unlike some competitors that require you to juggle different platforms. Moving on, Gorgias also offers in-depth analytics and reporting. You can track response times, team performance, and customer satisfaction. This data helps you optimize workflows and identify areas for improvement. While Freshdesk also provides analytics, Gorgias reporting feels more tailored to e-commerce businesses, offering insights specific to your online store's customer service needs. The fifth thing to consider is Gorgias pricing. It starts at a relatively low cost, but as you scale up with more features and agents, the pricing can increase significantly. While Zendesk can get expensive for large teams, Gorgias may have more affordable plans for smaller e-commerce businesses at first glance, but those costs grow quickly as you need more advanced features. Next thing, Gorgias provides robust integrations with popular e-commerce apps and tools. It connects with your email marketing software, returns management systems, and even fulfillment centers, making it a hub for your business operations. This level of integration is something that many help desk platforms don't offer as seamlessly, particularly for online stores. The seventh thing you need to know is its ease of use. Gorgias is designed with a clean, user-friendly interface that requires little to no training to get started. However, when compared to other tools like Freshdesk, you might find some features a bit less intuitive for a larger team or enterprise-level business. The eighth thing to mention is Gorgias' strong customer support. It's known for offering quick responses to your own customer service inquiries, but also providing live chat support to help you resolve issues within the platform. Other competitors like Zendesk might have more extensive documentation, but Gorgias offers a more personalized approach. Now, let's talk about customization. Gorgias allows you to tailor your help desk to your specific needs with custom workflows, triggers, and conditions. It's very flexible, especially for smaller businesses, but larger enterprises might find the level of customization lacking compared to Zendesk, which offers more granular control over workflows and roles. The 10th thing to keep in mind is its knowledge base feature. Gorgias does allow you to build a knowledge base, but it's not as robust as some of its competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. If a detailed, self-service customer support experience is a priority, you might want to explore alternatives. Next thing, Gorgias also supports a strong collaborative environment, allowing agents to tag each other, share tickets, and work on cases as a team. This is useful for smaller teams that need to collaborate efficiently. Larger teams might find Gorgias collaboration tools less comprehensive than what's offered by competitors like Freshdesk. The 12th and final thing is Gorgias' focus on scalability. While it's great for smaller businesses, you might find its offering somewhat limited as your business grows. Zendesk and Freshdesk can scale more easily, offering additional features for enterprise-level companies, such as better reporting and team management tools. So, is Gorgias a good option? It's definitely a strong choice for e-commerce businesses, especially those using Shopify, with its great automation, integrations, and ease of use. But if you're looking for a more scalable solution with better customization, or if you don't want to see prices spike quickly, it may not be